Today, I'll show you how to create a sign-up form in Brevo. Whether you're setting up a newsletter, collecting user feedback, or just getting started with digital marketing, knowing how to create a sign-up form is an essential skill. Brevo makes this process straightforward and efficient, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, we need to head over to Brevo's website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to brevo.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. The process is pretty intuitive, and Brevo walks you through it with ease. Once you're logged in, look for the marketing section in the main navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the tools and features related to managing your online marketing efforts. Click on Marketing to proceed. After clicking Marketing, you'll see a list of options. We're interested in creating a form, so go ahead and click on Forms. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your existing forms and create new ones. Now, it's time to create your sign-up form. Find the Create Sign-up Form button and give it a click. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be able to start building your form from scratch or using a template if you prefer. Next, you'll be prompted to select what kind of form you want to create. Brevo offers various types of forms, so choose the one that best fits your needs. This could be a pop-up form, an embedded form, or even a landing page form. Consider your audience and where you plan to place this form when making your decision. Once you've chosen the form type, it's time to give your form a name. Enter a name that makes it easy to identify, especially if you plan on creating multiple forms. This will help you keep everything organized and straightforward. Now that you've named your form, you're ready to create it. Click on the Create Form button to finalize this part of the process. Brevo will then take you to the form editor, where you can customize your form to fit your needs. At this point, you'll want to think about the fields you need to include in your form. Common fields are names, email addresses, and phone numbers, but you can add any field necessary for your purposes. Brevo's drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to rearrange fields and customize the form's design to match your brand's aesthetic. Once you've set up your fields and customized the design, don't forget to configure the form's settings. You'll want to specify where the form submissions will be sent, such as to a specific email address or directly to your CRM. Additionally, consider setting up an automatic response email to thank users for signing up. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sign-up form in Brevo. Remember, the key to a good sign-up form is simplicity and clarity. Make sure your instructions are clear and the form is easy to fill out, and you'll be well on your way to building a robust contact list. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on maximizing your digital marketing efforts. Have a great day.